Hello. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the different construction templates available in Designbuilder and the key data input options in the Construction tab. There are many construction templates available here in the Designbuilder Construction tab. The list of available templates.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.